If you watched my last DIY, you'll remember the cute kitty cat earrings I made. Today, I'm creating another adorable design and I can't wait to show you how it comes together. It's beginner friendly, fun to make, and absolutely adorable materials. The first step is attaching the earring post to the back of each teddy bear. So I'm taking my time to make sure everything is centered and secured because neat finishing makes a big difference. You know, DIY jewelry is one of my favorite crafts because you can turn simple materials into something beautiful and unique. Don't worry, if your first attempt isn't perfect, every project helps you improve. One thing I've learned over the years is that having everything ready before you start making your earrings makes the whole process easier. If you like to make these exact earrings, I have added links to the supplies I used in the description below. I got most of them from Temu and I have shared my affiliate links to make it easy for you to find the same materials. If you purchase through those links, I may earn a little commission as no extra cost to you, and it really helps support my channel. If you watch closely, I allow the adhesive to set properly. Patience is important here because it helps the earrings last longer. So if you're new on here, kindly subscribe to my channel, watch other DIYs I've done before, like and share. That is the only way you can support me. I will really appreciate that. And here they are. Aren't they adorable? Next is packaging. So this is me packaging the earrings. For me, I sell all these things, so this is me packaging them. I absolutely love the soft purple teddy bears holding tiny strawberries. They are playful, cute, and perfect for anyone who loves unique handmade earrings or accessories. Tell me in the comments, which do you prefer? This teddy bear earrings or the kitty cat earrings from my previous video? And also, how many of you would like to try this simple project? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.